In this quick video, we're going to talk about how to put message templates in the Thanks.io system. So we're going to click on message templates here. We're going to click add message. And you'll notice here that you have a number of different types that you can choose from. So let's just name ours postcard demo. You'll notice here you'll be able to pick handwriting styles. You might be watching this video later. We might have upgraded our handwriting styles. We have an AI handwriting builder on the way. So if it looks a little different, just know that don't be disoriented. Just choose your handwriting style. Notice here that you can put in a URL and it'll create a QR code in the body of the message. So test message here. Every time you put some text inside, just click outside so that it re-renders and you can see it has a QR code over to the right side. Also notice that my branding is sitting there. You can do that by using the branding builder on the left side, and that will build the templates that you see here where it has your picture, your name, some other contact info. I'll also note now that if you want to, you can create your own background templates for this section. But from experience, I've seen a lot of people try to do this. It's better to just use our base branding builder. It's not going to affect your conversions all that much if you mess with that. The most important thing here is that you write a clean message that makes a clear, concise offer to somebody that is relevant to them. Notice here that you can merge in their name. So you can do something like hi, first name. You can also merge in some other attributes like a custom 1, 2, 3, or 4 here. So if you're importing data and you have custom fields that you want to import into that, or if you're zapping in, you're using the API to push data in and you're using this message, just know that this is how it's accessed within the body. We do have our AI writer, right? I'd like to thank someone for visiting my website. So you could use some AI here to help you with the scripting and then edit what it comes out as. You can see here it went ahead and wrote me a message, and then you can change that up. Just a warning here, AI writes like it went to college or something, and writing like you went to college is never good in marketing and business. It's just a little pro tip for you. So make this sound more like you're talking to a friend. Make it a little more intimate than using the big words that AI likes to use. And who knows, maybe the AI will get better, but for now, that's just a tip for you. So that's it. That's the postcards. Let's just mention here, you have these different types. You have note cards, which will give you more space. You'll see that the QR code shows up at the bottom, the branding, it's just in a different spot. And then let's just do a quick note about the gift cards. You notice a few different things with the gift cards because you're going to be choosing a brand, you're going to be choosing an amount, and things of that nature here. And I'll just point out that we have some advanced features around gating the action in order to get the gift card down at the bottom here. So we have other videos about that in our documentation, but just know if you want to, as you create your gift card message, you can put a URL in that somebody has to take an action on before they get the gift card, which is really cool stuff. So that'll conclude our quick overview video of how to build message templates in the Thanks.io system. I'll remind you that in most cases, you're going to need to have the message template already built if you're going to be sending automated, or even if you're sending using our step-by-step wizard, you're going to either create your message on the fly or you're just going to grab a message that already exists. So here I am grabbing an image. You'll see here, and then you'll be able to select those message templates you created right here and pop it onto the card as you go through that builder. So go ahead, create your first message template today. Maybe send yourself a test card here at Thanks.io. And as always, we are always here to help you and to implement, to help you with scripting, design, whatever it might be. Just shoot us a quick message, support at Thanks.io, or use the chat in the dashboard whenever you need our help.